हेलो।
हेलो, हम भी इन किए हैं।
गोपाल अनम्यूट करो।
हो गया दीदी?
अच्छा, तो सर कोई आया है कि सर नहीं आया ना?
नहीं आया।
अच्छा रुको, मैं बात करती हूँ। मैं बात करती हूँ, एक सेकंड। गोपाल तुम बहुत, हाँ नहीं तुम बहुत मेहनत कर। सर सर कैसे है सर? हाउ आर यू? अनम्यूट करो गोपाल, उनको प्लीज अनम्यूट करिए।
कर रहा हूँ दीदी, तुरंत कर रहा हूँ दीदी।
सूरी साहब कैसे हैं? अच्छा सॉरी, आप अनम्यूट करेंगे। क्या इतना टाइम क्यों लग रहा है?
अनम्यूट किया मैंने दीदी।
नहीं, उनका हुआ नहीं है, देखो एक बार।
उनको बोलिए खुद से करेंगे, जब फोन करेंगे दीदी
सूरी
सर को,
साहब
यहाँ से हो नहीं रहा है।
करिए, आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट करिए सर,
क्योंकि उनको हमने को होस्ट बना दिया है। हाँ
ठीक है।
हाँ सर।
यस सर,
सर आप करना चाहें तो कर लीजिएगा, हम लोग ऑलरेडी आ गए। हाँ गोसावी जी अभी तक नहीं आए हैं सर। मैम को भी लेकर आइएगा ना, अगर पॉसिबल हो तो। मैम आएंगी क्या? हेलो सर, मैम भी ज्वाइन करेंगी क्या? मैम ज्वाइन करेंगी? Please sir, we are honored by your presence. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I am so happy to see all of you.
Sir, I'll request you to please switch off your video at the moment.
Fine.
ये लॉकडाउन हम लोग सब कोई को टेक सेवी तो बना दिया।
ठीक है।
गोपाल, ये प्रणव चक्रवर्ती कौन है जो बहुत देर से डायल करने का कोशिश कर रहा है? जरा देखो। साहब मैं कर दूं इधर से? मैं कर दूं?
आप कर दो, मेरे को ज्यादा।
ठीक है, मैं कर देती हूँ। गोपाल
मैं दोबारा कर दूंगा ज्वाइन।
नहीं सूरी जी आप रुकिए, फिर कहीं कनेक्शन में प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो जाए। आपका होना हमारे लिए बहुत जरूरी है। गोपाल जी आप कर दीजिए एक बार सर का।
मैं कर रहा हूँ मैम।
हाँ
आई एम डूइंग द नीडफुल।
हाँ दोनों कर दो।
यस मैम, मैं आई एम डूइंग मैम।
उनका हाँ ठीक है,
डन दी।
ठीक है। गोपाल तुम सजग रहना थोड़ा, हाँ।
Yes, don't worry. I will handle. तो अपना सिस्टम वहाँ पे बंद करके लेते हो, लाएंगे तो ले लो तुम। नहीं, सब लोग बोल रहे हो, काम नहीं है।
माहेश्वरी जी नमस्ते, भरत नधानी जी नमस्ते, चक्रवर्ती नमस्कार, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। भरत जी नमस्ते, वेरी सीनियर मेंबर भरत नदानी जी। नमस्ते सर। हाँ हाँ सर, मैं वापस भेज देती हूँ सर। जी जी सर, हाँ जी सर। गुप्ता जी को लिंक वापस भेज रही हूँ। Shiv Kumar sir, very happy to see you. Gopal. Shiv Kumar sir has been the chapter of the Southern India Regional Council of ICSI. He's been the chairman of the Southern India Regional Council while I was the president. Thank you brother for joining. एक बार unmute कर दो गोपाल उनको. Joy Shah sir has also joined. Thank you. Thank you. Joy sir, very happy to see you. Thank you.
It's okay, madam. How are you?
Thank you. I'm good.
Yeah.
Joy
Where
Shah.
is this happening? Where is this happening?
Yes, 1 minute, Shikumar sir. All is well. Don't worry. Joy Shah sir को unmute करो गोपाल.
Yes, दी, 1 second.
थोड़ा सा अनम्यूट में तेरे को।
I will do the needful. No, sir.
अच्छा तो मेरे को भी राइट्स दे देता।
You have the.
I have the rights. अच्छा okay.
Yes,
Joy
just
sir, Joy sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Thank you so much for coming.
No.
Good
And
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
it's a pleasure to see you, sir.
Likewise. How have you all been in the pandemic times?
I mean, as we all have been actually. But it seems that you have been taking a good amount of rest. It seems your face is glowing.
And I'm not feeling guilty about my leisure.
No, you should not be. We've done enough. We've done
A
enough.
lot of people are saying that, what is this? When do we get back to work?
I think for us, like it's a lot of work at home because, you know, we've not allowed the maids to come. That has added a little bit to the worries. But apart from that, I think it was all fine. We are privileged. Look at the class who's not been able to, you know, just afford even a one-time meal. I think we should not complain.
No, of course. When you see what is happening all around you,
Exactly.
it's quite...
Pathetic. We feel that we are very well placed.
Hmm.
Arunji, good afternoon. Joy sir, I'll just come back.
Yes.
Hi Arun Bhaiya, good afternoon. Where is everyone?
So we are just 4 minutes away. India, where is your Papa Dad? Where's President? Where's Papa?
Okay, I don't know. My voice is not reaching him. Mr. S.P. Chattopadhyay sir has also joined. Good afternoon. Sir, good afternoon. Chattopadhyay sir, thank you for joining in. Thank you.
Good evening, madam. Good evening. Good
Good
evening.
evening. Thanks for
Are
coming.
you hearing me?
Yes, I can see you also and hear you very clearly. Thank you for joining in.
Thank you.
अमन के नाम पे सर आप है ना?
Hello.
Didi,
हाँ.
Hello.
Nanku sir also join.
देखो रत्नाको सर पे आ गए. 1 मिनट में करती हूँ रुको.
Hmm.
हाँ, गुप्ता जी पे आ गए. नमस्ते. रत्नाको सर
Good evening. Good evening. Good evening, Mamta.
गुप्ता जी पे आ गए. 1 मिनट. रत्नाको सर, I'll just come back to you.
Yeah.
Gupta ji
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Gopal, can you see VK Gupta sir?
How are you, sir?
Virendra ji Gupta. Gupta sir, good evening.
I'm doing good.
Thank you for joining in. Thank you, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Good evening.
It's an honor that
Good
you
evening.
joined, sir. Thank you so much.
Good evening.
Sir, we'll just begin in 2 minutes. How's life there, sir? How are you
Life is good. We have.
I can understand. We all have to just live with this. Yes.
So it's a new way of interacting socially.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So NCLT Kolkata Bar Association is just trying to be with the times. Arun sir, may I request you to just check whether the president sir has joined in?
He's dialing in.
He's dialing in. Okay.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah. Gosavi sir is also joining in. We already have the honored presence of Suri sir. And I'm just waiting on sir's presence. He'll also be here in a while. I'll just call him once. Can you see SM Gupta? If you, Gopal, if you see him joining in, just let me know.
Yes, ma'am. दीदी प्रेसिडेंट साहब ज्वाइन
हाँ ओके ओके गुप्ता जी नमस्ते SM गुप्ता जी नमस्ते
सर अनम्यूट करिए अपने आप को आप
नो नो
थैंक यू
हेलो सर
हाँ 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 ममता राधे राधे
हाँ राधे राधे
सर
सर
सुन रहा ना मेरे को
हाँ हाँ सर एकदम सुन रहा
अच्छा
सर डू ज्वाइन इन जी सर यस सर सर जस्ट आप उस लिंक पे क्लिक कर दीजिए सर मैं आपको वापस भेज देती हूँ एक बार ओके
ठीक है
So Sari is also joining in 1 minute, and so Mr. Jinnan is also joining in 1 minute. Suri ji, we are very honored by your kind presence. It's a great privilege for NCL to Kolkata Bar Association to have your good self presence. We deeply acknowledge and also we express our gratitude towards your presence. So just give us about 2-3 minutes and we will begin.
ये आपका साइलेंट साउंड इको कर रहा है
Going still?
अब कैसे देखो पूरा और पीछे अब ठीक है उसमें तो एकदम अच्छा दिख रहा है
I'll put off my fan. I think that will help.
उसमें तो अच्छा दिख रहा है यस
हेलो
यस सर जी हाँ अब हेडफोन नहीं है क्या दीदी
Hey, headphones, I think it will be worse. Is it still echoing? Is it still echoing? Gopal, is it
your
still
voice is
echoing?
very soft
नहीं नाउ इज गुड
Yeah, I've put off my
नाउ इज गुड
I've put off my fan. Okay, please keep a vigil. Please keep a vigil. Gosavi sir and Jinnan sir will join.
I think Justice Jinan has joined
Acha, just Jinnan sir is joining. Jinnan sir,
keeping.
good afternoon. Jinnan sir.
We at this occasion on this occasion as Mamta has already said there are many speakers including Mr. Tangobalanji, Mr. Joy Saha and we will also request all the dignitaries to speak a few words. I will not take much of your time except that I welcome everyone to this farewell meeting and this farewell is with lot of mixed feeling as I just said. So we wish all the very best to their lordships in their future posting and thank you very much ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Gupta ji. Taking the proceedings ahead, let me do the onerous and a very happy task to introduce Gosavi sir and Gupta sir to all of you. I know this introduction is generally done when we have an introductory, not a farewell, but when we actually introduce our honorable judges to the bench. But that opportunity, we may have had it a few months back. So it will be very nice to know our judges a little more than what we know about them. So just allow me about 2-3 minutes to speak about their not even the public side much, but their other side, which is actually very interesting to know. Gosavi sir, when I read the profile of Gosavi sir, and Gosavi sir doesn't even know, I've actually stolen his profile from somewhere. Pardon me, Gosavi sir, for this. You may impose a penalty and a non-compoundable offense on me. I will take it and I'll come for compounding to Ahmedabad. But allow me to do so. Gosavi sir का जब हम profile करते हैं, it looks like a real field. I'm sure you even don't know how he has been in this position. Gosavi sir arrived at Mumbai in the year 1980 from his village in Satara. And I wish that all of you hear this out very carefully because it's a lesson to so many of us. He is born to priest parents who were village priests. Resources were meager and he only had a pair of slippers and a few rupees in his pocket while in Mumbai. He enrolled himself at New Law College, Mumbai. He studied law from borrowed books from his friends. He worked for a beer company as their delivery guy while doing law. He completed everything in the year 1984 and he started his journey as a lawyer under his senior, Mr. Jagtap, at Dadar, Mumbai. He gathered sizable criminal practice and then there was no looking back. He was appointed as a judicial magistrate at Kolhapur. Then he was posted as a metropolitan magistrate in Mumbai. And then he was promoted as a chief judicial magistrate, Maharashtra. And thereafter, as city civil and sessions judge. So his momentum was absolutely continuous. Then, friends, this is amazing. He was appointed as a special judge of CBI in the year 2014. It is deeply interested to know for all of us that he is a keen person who's interested in spirituality. He's a known Kirtan proponent in Maharashtra and has performed, guess the number, and has performed more than 1,000 Kirtans all across Maharashtra. He is an avid reader and he has a personal library of 1,000 selected books on spirituality. He has mastered most of the Bhagavad Gita. And you will not believe it, but he is a natural tabla player. I know when we see the judges on those big chairs, honorable judges, please allow me to say this. We sometimes from the other side feel that does the judges have a heart? Does the judges feel like a human? Sometimes we just think that to ourselves. But knowing about the personal side really is an eye-opener. Let me tell you, when we do the yoga day from the NCLT Kolkata Bar Association, I have always noticed for the past 2 years that Gosavi sir has outnumbered, not only outnumbered in the yoga that he does, but even he's far ahead from any one of us. He's a yoga practitioner since childhood and loves travel and conversations on philosophy. I've heard him talking in Sanskrit. He's extremely good at that. I've seen that, so I just felt like saying that. Thank you so much, Gosavi sir, for adorning Kolkata Bar and also for being in the Kolkata bench. I think it has been a privilege for the Kolkata bench to have you as our honorable member, judicial. Thank you so much, sir, for not saying no to the posting of Kolkata. Because in the yesteryears, we've heard that when somebody was posted in CLB, we used to say it's a punishment posting, and people were not keen to come to CLB Kolkata. So you have accepted that, and we are very, very gratified for that. Let me now introduce VK Gupta sir. Believe you me, I kept on asking Gupta sir, please let me have your profile. But he's so humble, he just did not give me. Gosavi sir also did not give me.
Mamta,
Yes.
Mamta, I just want to say one word.
Yes.
If you had told us about the Kirtan, for that Justice Gosavi did 1,000 Kirtans, if you had told me earlier, we would have arranged at least one kirtan, in Calcutta. Why you did not tell us earlier?
Sir, even for me, I came to know today itself.
It's a great loss. At least one kirtan we could have arranged.
Now we will go to him with his permission to Ahmedabad.
सच्ची एक बार जाना पड़ेगा.
No, you may invite me at any time. I will
अच्छा
come.
हाँ, that's also a good idea, Mamta. We will invite him to Calcutta for a kirtan.
Yes. We आप बने रहिए, बस हम लोग यही चाहते हैं.
नहीं जरूर उनको बुलाएंगे.
बिल्कुल. Let me also now introduce our honorable member technical, Vikul Gupta ji, a very humble person. We have been seeing him. We've been working with him not for many months now, but I think as things will have it, he's going to Ahmedabad too. He has been an ITAT member, that is the Income Tax Appellate Tribunal member in Mumbai, and completed his 5 years term there. He was also a CEO finance of a big company in Mumbai before he joined the esteemed bench. He is a chartered accountant by degree and a law graduate too. His respected father had been a high official of income tax. His native place is UP, but he has been brought up in Maharashtra. His son is also a chartered accountant and his daughter is settled in America. He's a motivational evangelist and is indulging himself into reading innumerable spiritual books. So VK Gupta ji, thank you so much. The duo, the combination of VK Gupta ji and Gosadi ji has always been so very good. The chemistry that we see in the bench has been amazing, because in the yesteryears, not only in Calcutta, but when we travel, we don't find such extremely good chemistry. What we find in bench 1 and bench 2, I think Kolkata has been blessed in that regard. Thank you, Gupta ji, for spending some few months with us. I'm sure you have actually liked Kolkata and you have embraced all the good things of Kolkata. We wish you all the best for your new festival.
Mamta, you forgot to mention one thing. He is from Bareilly, जहाँ झुमका गिरा था.
So sorry, I was not.
Acha, one more thing, we express our condolence because in Calcutta he lost his mother.
Yes.
We express our deep condolence.
Yes.
Thank you so much. I really, in that sense, I will never be able to forget Calcutta. Otherwise, also never able to forget. It was a brief stint, but very, very interesting and very, very learning exercise. And interacting with such a marvelous people here, it was wonderful experience.
Thank you, Gupta ji. So may we now request our Honorable K.R. Jinnan Sahab to please give his address. Please address all of us. I know he's also losing his brothers to another city. So in that sense, I think he's losing his strength, if I may say so on his behalf. So may I request Honorable Shri Jinnan sir to please address all of us.
Thank you, Mamta Binani. Good evening to all of you. Mr. President Gupta ji, Kolkata Bar Association. Our today's guest of honor, my dear brother members, Mr. Madan Balachandra Gozav ji and Mr. Virendra Kumar Gupta ji, Vice President Dr. Mamta Binani, Senior Counsel Ratanko Banerjee and Mr. Joy Saha and other councils and members of Bar Association, my dear Deputy Registrar, friends, brothers and sisters. It gave me immense pleasure to join with the Kolkata Bar Association for giving virtual farewell to my esteemed brother members. At the same time, I am unhappy to say farewell to these members because at present, we are going through a difficult time due to pandemic COVID-19. A lot of new travel regulations and quarantine system has started to make our country return to the usual routine, and nobody knows how many more months it would take to get back the COVID-free country. I still remember the words of the Delhi Health Minister that we have to synchronize our life with coronavirus. In the middle of these difficult times, our members were ordered to be transferred to NCLT Ahmedabad. Mr. Madan Balachandra Gosavji was with me from 28 March 2018 till he was permitted to start independent sitting with effect from 2nd July 2018. It was such a pleasure to be able to share the bench with him for about 3 months. From the date of joining till today, he was very friendly, supportive, and generous to me and my family. He had a greater sense of understanding, and I heard that sometimes he is very temperamental in court, but he always maintains his calmness towards me when I discuss issues. He has a very good vision of thoughts, and he always tries to maintain his orders as short as possible. Writing short and brief judgment is an amazing art, and it can be possible only for few people. He is one among them, and I am still learning from him. He always helped me to maintain positivity in our day-to-day life, as well as the administration of NCLT Kolkata bench. My dear brother Virendra Kumar Gupta ji joined in our tribunal on 5th July 2019. I got a chance to share the bench with him too. He is very quick and fast in interpreting and deciding cases. Even though I got a chance to be with him for a limited period, but I have understood that he is well mannered and kind-hearted and very cooperative with me. I am happy that I was able to maintain a cordial relationship with him too. He is a different man. I was surprised to see the affection and care he showed to his mother without compromising his work. I pray that may his mother's soul rest in peace and showers a lot of blessing to him. I get to know that he has opted for Mumbai and Ahmedabad, and luckily he got Ahmedabad. In our NCLT, both these brothers were fast in disposing cases, and due to that, Kolkata bench comes in one among the fastest tribunal in disposing cases, especially with IBC cases. Truly, I am sad because I have lost one of my precious wing to move forward and to make NCLT Kolkata the best. But I am happy that this team will cherish wherever they go, and they will be an asset in the next place. My brother Gosavji already left NCLT Kolkata bench, and my brother Guptaji is about to leave Kolkata bench soon. I hope that they'll have a wonderful experience together. Someone once said, the tans on our body will fade, but the memories do last forever. So get going, create memories, and have great monsoon ahead. Lastly, I would say that we will miss you both. However, I am happy that in the midst of this lockdown, you are privileged and honored by getting a felicitation organized by our NCLT Kolkata Bar Association. My heartiest thanks to Mr. President Guptaji for organizing these farewell meetings even in this difficult time. Best wishes and prayers to my dear brothers. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Anand sir. That means a lot to all of us, in fact, because your words of wisdom has always been cherished by all of us. We try to understand the meaning out of it, and we try to live that with us. Thank you so much for all your words.
Thank you. Thank you.
I now request Honorable Suri Saab to kindly address all of us, including our brothers. Suri Saab, please.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening,
I'll
Suri.
take 2 minutes. My respected brother, Honorable Mr. Jinan KR, Shri S.M. Gupta ji, President, NCLT, Kolkata Bar Association, Madam Mamta Binani, Vice President, NCLT, Kolkata Bar Association, and all other members of the bar and the guests who have joined the present meeting. I wish all of you a very good evening. We have assembled here through video conferencing today to bid farewell to two of of our beloved and esteemed members, Honorable Mr. Gosavi and Honorable Mr. V.K. Gupta today, on their transfer from Kolkata bench to NCLT Ahmedabad. Parting company in any manner is painful. One may notice the present moment with several dimensions, but the fact remains that the past has flown away so fast, leaving beautiful memories with us. The present exists, and we hopefully look forward towards a better future. During their tenure as members in Calcutta bench, both of them have shown best of their knowledge and ability while dealing with all types of cases, giving patient hearing with complete fairness and impartiality. While Mr. Gosavi has adorned this bench for quite a few years, but we could enjoy the company of Mr. V.K. Gupta ji for a very short time. I wish we had their company for some more time. But I think now onwards, the other members of the Ahmedabad bench would be lucky and have their friendly company to enjoy. As a member of this court, I can state it with certitude that their commitment to duty was exemplary. Since they were members of the same bench, their orders have always been found well researched and reasoned, analytical and innovative. Very rarely one sees such qualities so holistically balanced. In the last 1 year or so, of my acquaintance with Mr. Gosavi, I have observed in my humblest way the rationalistic approach he had to each problem placed before him. I saw in him an elder brother and a true friend. He had a distinguished tenure as a judge of this tribunal. Shri Gupta ji is equally knowledgeable and hardworking. He has been respectful to one and all, and his ever smiling face will be in our hearts for all times to come. We shall miss both these amiable personalities a lot. As members of this bench, both of them have religiously maintained and scrupulously sustained the dignity, sincerity, and nobility of the bench. It is my great pleasure to have associated with them, even if it was for a shorter duration than I would have liked. I'm sure that both of the members leaving us for joining NCLT bench at Ahmedabad will keep the flags high and will further shine the image of this tribunal. I hope and pray that similar cordiality is maintained forever. I wish both of them good health and good luck in all their future endeavors. Before concluding, I must place on record my heartfelt thanks and gratitude to the President and Vice President and all the other members of the bar who have made it possible even during this difficult period. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Suri, sir. Thank you so much. I think everything lies in the mind. So when we felt that, oh, by technology, will it be so difficult? Our mind told to ourselves that, Mamta, every shackle is in the mind. So we just opened our mind and thought, no, it will not be so difficult. And there we were. We just organized it, and now it's a reality. So I think all kudos to our President S.M. Gupta ji, because in this age also, he's so available and he allows all of us to work freely. So thanks to his mentorship that we, Kolkata NCLT Bar Association, have been able to do whatever little that we have been able to sustain. Thank you for your kind words, Surisa. May I now request our esteemed Executive Committee member, Mr. Ratnako Banerjee, to kindly share his few words.
Good evening. Good evening, Honorable Justice Jinan, Honorable Justice Gosavi, and Honorable members, Mr. Suri and Mr. Gupta. I didn't think that I would have to address such a situation as today, that we'll have to let Justice Gosavi and Justice Gupta go from us. According to me, the bar and the bench are always two wheels which have to work in tandem for a smooth journey of justice. Now, when we appear before a tribunal or a court, there develops a kind of bonding, a relationship. And through interactions, exchange of ideas, this relationship or bonding grows. And as a result, what happens, which I've always felt, is that we have, over the years, we become extended members of extended family. And today it is very sad that we have to say at least goodbye to two of our family members, Honorable Justice Gosavi and Honorable Member Mr. Gupta. They are going away today from the Kolkata bench. We have greatly benefited from their guidance in taking forward this justice delivery system, as well as their very esteemed presence at this bench. I'm confident to say for all of us that justice has been dispensed to whoever have knocked on the doors of this tribunal. They have delivered some path-breaking judgments, and they have been also extremely patient with us, always given us a hearing if it's an urgent matter. They've always entertained us and always looked at delivery of justice more than anything else. On behalf of all our members, I wish them all the best for furthering their achievements, which, and I must say very proudly, the foundation of which have been really laid at this bench. We are sad today. We have to let them go with a smile on our faces, as their judicial duty requires them to dispense justice before some other fora. Thank you very much. And it is with really sadness that we say goodbye to them. Thank you very much.
Thank
you.
Thank you.
Thanks for your kind words for our honorable judges. May I now request Joy Shah sir, if he wishes to speak and exchange pleasantries, greetings, and shower best wishes, he may do so. Sir, I'll just unmute yourself. I'll just unmute it. Gopal, I've been trying to unmute him. Just see.
Yes, ma'am, there's two Joy Saha, so that's why I'm confused. Two name of Joy Saha, sir.
देखो जिसमें फोटो आ रही है ना वो वाला. Sorry, sir. Sorry for this. He just
Yeah, I
he
think I'm
took time
unmuted
to
now.
climb up the stage.
Yeah. It's fine. So we have no confusion.
My Lord
Yeah,
Justice,
No, Gopal, have you done it?
Yes,
Yeah, he's
Yes.
there. He was there on
He was there.
screen.
he's there.
My Lord Justice Jinan, my Lord Justice Suri, my Lord Justice Gosavi, my Lord Justice Gupta. It is with a heavy heart that we are assembled here today to bid adieu to you. For all of those who are ABBA fans, kindly reflect back upon that song, Scarborough Fair, which says, I was 21 when I wrote this song. I'm 22, but I won't be for long. Time hurries on, but the leaves that were green will turn to brown. As we all know, the only constant thing about life is change. And therefore, these separations must be taken with our chin held high and with a degree of optimism that while the Kolkata bench will be orphaned to a small extent, the Ahmedabad bench will definitely benefit. I say this with a degree of certainty because, my lords, you all were in charge of a portion of the Calcutta Tribunal at a time when the law had just, is at a very nascent stage. It is still developing and the law was not well laid down, the path was not chartered, a lot of unforeseen interpretations have to be made to the existing law. And I can say this on behalf of all my colleagues at the bar, that you did that with aplomb, with a sense of responsibility, with caution, and as well as a sense of adventurism, so that the law did not remain moribund and the law served the purpose for which it was framed. I had the good fortune of appearing before you in many matters, and I've always found you to be very receptive. There have been certain matters which we have won, with others which we have lost. But I don't think any of us can say that we either came away without an adequate hearing or without our point of view being duly considered by this bench. It is therefore our loss We would have liked you all to be here for a little while longer, but I'm sure that the new incumbent, Justice Rajshekhar, I believe, will, he's coming from Bombay, so I'm sure he will also add value to this Kolkata bench. The only thing I would like to add is that you were and you continue to remain a part of the NCLT Kolkata family. And as and when you all are in Kolkata for any work whatsoever, we would feel very honored and privileged if you would give us a call so that we could join you for a cup of tea. Please have a good life, be careful, and maintain social distancing in these times.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Joy sir. Milord, point to be noted, Joy sir said a little longer. He didn't exempt the word little over there. Thank you, Joy sir, for your kind address.
I'm 18 kilometers away.
And I completely resonate with what he says. I must admit, Gosavi sir and Gupta sir, when we come to hearing in your court and even court number 1, our actually legs shake, because we know that where we are going to catch hold of. So we are very careful, and that only enables us to come very well prepared. So I think definitely the quality of the bar actually enhances the quality of the bench, and it's vice versa too. So this relationship is very practicing in courts. I hope that we do really adjust the couple times. And I think there's some relationship between Mumbai and Kolkata, because of late we've either lost our honorable judges to Mumbai or else we've got some honorable judges from Mumbai to Kolkata. The journey started from Honorable VP Gupta, and I think Mumbai and Kolkata is having some shuttling happening quite often. So may I now request S.P. Chattopadhyay sir, who is the Deputy Registrar, to kindly share a few words. Chattopadhyay sir, if you may like to share a few words.
Good evening.
Good evening, Mr. Chattopadhyay.
Good evening, Mr. Chattopadhyay.
Good evening, all of you. Good evening, all of you.
Evening.
All honorable 4 members are there. And now it is very sad times to bid them farewell. And I can say statistically that when the NCLT Bar Association was created and inaugurated in 20.
I think there's some disturbance there. Chattopadhyay sir, line is a little disturbed. So just pardon us. Yeah. Thank you for resonating your feelings. I'm sure in short also we get to know. Chattopadhyay sir, then we move on.
Yes. Now the
sir. Chattopadhyay sir.
Should I continue? Should I continue? Yes. Yes. Now the thing is, Mr. Gosavi is the 5th member joined in Kolkata bench, and Mr. B.K. Gupta is the 7th member. And I can say only one word. You are rightfully said that there is a link between Mumbai and Kolkata sharing the judges. I will say one sentence, that Kolkata bench is the feeder bench of Ahmedabad bench. There, you know, Justice Madam Manorama Kumari, she also left from Calcutta to Ahmedabad, followed by these 2 judges. Naturally, Kolkata and Ahmedabad as well as Mumbai is like a triangle. Anyway, I still remember all their presence, their gratitude, their wisdoms, their humorous and the powerful positions of both of them. Thank you. Wishing best of wishes. Thank you, madam. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Sir, if the honorable judge allow us, we would like to hear 2-3 more people who have gathered here to pay their respect and best wishes to all of you. So, honorable judges, may I please continue?
Please.
Sure.
We have Mr. P. Kumar, who's from Kochi, who has joined us, and he has been the past chairman of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India for the entire southern region. He has joined himself from Kochi, and I'll request him to share a few words. He is aware of what's happening in the Kolkata bench as he has his matters here, and he keeps traveling also. Shiv Kumar, sir, I've unmuted you. Gopal, that unmute button, just check once.
Yes, he can unmute himself.
Shiv Kumar, sir, please unmute yourself.
Yeah. He's
Yes.
unmuted.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Hello, madam.
Yes, can hear you, sir. Please say.
Yeah, I'll be just brief. First of all, a big thank you for calling me. I'm so much far away from all of you. I'm speaking from my office in Cochin, Kerala. I was the past chairman of Institute of Southern India, Regional Council of India, when Madam was the president of the institute. So I'm so happy to be invited by the NCLT Calcutta Bar Association on this occasion of bidding farewell to Honorable Sri Madan B. Gosavi and Honorable Sri B.K. Gupta. I thought they were retiring, but now I understand that they are moving to another bench in Ahmedabad. I wish all of them a very bright future in the days to come, and in their new avatars in Ahmedabad.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. I think Honorable Jinan sir may be remembering me. So I wish him also all the best.
Thank you, Mr. Shivakumar.
Wish all of you who have joined this, and once again a big thank you to NCLT Bar Association Calcutta.
Thank you, Shiv Kumar, sir. May I now
Thank you, madam.
Thank you. May I now request Vishnu Tulsian, who is also the convener of CA chapter, one of the CA associations. May I now request him to shower his best wishes, Vishnu?
My best wishes to the honorable judges, and it was really very pleasing to present before the Gosavi sir bench and all other benches. And I wish good health in future. And thank you very much.
Thank you. We have Ujjaini Chatterjee. Ujjaini, would you like to speak? I think I've been seeing, yeah, I saw your hand.
It has been an honor moving before you, sir. I'm very new to, have been very new to NCLT, but it has been an absolute pleasure. I know I have bothered this bench several times early in the morning with urgent mentioning, and you have always indulged in us, always. You've never turned us down. We've really bothered you so much. But for juniors, you've been so encouraging. You've always told us that please come move your matter. You've given us excellent orders. It has been an absolute pleasure. And also, I'm really looking forward to going to Ahmedabad now. We have 2 matters over there. So I'll be more than happy to go there again and see all of you. We wish you a very, very pleasant future ahead. And we will really miss you, sir.
Thank you, Jenny. It's so very true that, sirs, you have also always led and let the young generation come up and appear before your bench. It's not an easy task, because once you lose your patience, because you know the juniors have their own style of doing it, but you've never lost your patience and always have allowed it. Thank you so much, sir, for that. May I now request, I can see Maruti ji there in the name of Aman. Maruti ji, would you like to speak? You've been a regular in the NCLT bench. You would like to share your blessing. your best wishes. I'll just unmute you. Just give me a second. Gopal, I have not been able to unmute him.
I'm doing.
Yeah. Yes, it's done.
Yes, please.
Good evening, all judges, and we are very, actually, the word is not coming just.
No problem, sir. Your feelings are important. Express in even short. That's all.
Feeling because we have got so much from these benches now. That's why we are not able to express all words at this moment. And we are actually in both of the benches. We have faced many times, and we got whatever we want and whatever we as per judicial manner. Thank you very much, and we are very sad. And we this vacuum, how it will be occupied. We have to. It will be in the scene in the future.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thanks. To the honorable judges and all our honored participants, there was a fight going on between what is good. Is virtual hearing good or is physical hearing good? So one of the honorable judges in a write-up mentioned that it is only physical hearing is good. Because then I'm able to see the body language of the lawyers, and I'm also able to read the body language of the people who are accompanying the lawyers. So don't you worry, in this Zoom meeting also, we are able to read your body language, Maruti ji, and we are able to understand the gratification that you are trying to emanate with your words and with your feelings. So that was very, very visible. Thank you so much for your address. May I now request one more esteemed gentleman who is there with us, because then we would like to hear our honorable judges. Mahesh Chand Gupta ji, would you like to speak? Very senior member. He's worked in Dunlop. Yes, I'll just unmute you. And now he's practicing. Yes, Gupta ji.
Okay, good evening, everybody. Good evening, Honorable Jinan sir, Gosavi sir, Kiran Gupta sir, and Mr. Honorable Suri sir. It's really painful to bid farewell to our dear and near members like Gosavi sir and Gupta sir. I have been in the benches of Gosavi sir, and I have always found he gives orders very smiling face always. Even if there are very critical cases, like he always smiles and give very quick decisions and proceed the matter very forward. Similar to that, Jinan sir has also been very helpful and always giving orders smiling. So we are lucky that we will have Jinan sir with us, but we are at the same time very sad that we are losing Gosavi sir. But we will certainly meet Gosavi sir in Ahmedabad sometime. Thank you. All the best to Gosavi sir and Gupta sir.
गोसावी जी और गुप्ता जी हम लोग से भाग रहे अहमदाबाद, और हम लोग सब अहमदाबाद जाने की बात कर रहे हैं.
हम लोग सब अहमदाबाद जाएंगे.
Honorable judges, please give us 2-3 more minutes, because I'm seeing a lot of young practitioners have joined us. May I request Rahul Parasrampuria to just take a minute, and you may speak if you wish to, and then I'll request. Okay, Rahul, please. Quickly, Rahul. Yes, okay. Rahul, unmute.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving me opportunity. So it was a nice pleasure to be a part of this particular farewell ceremony of Justice Gosavi sir and Justice Gupta sir. So it is for we young members and young practitioners, it has always been a pleasure that learning from the bench. So we have learned so much from Jinan sir, then coming to Gupta sir. So always being at the court and learning what are the fallen from the justice. So similarly with the Gupta sir, so more technical angles has been changed coming to the company's matter, then the insolvency matter. There has been lots of changes with the interpretation with Gupta sir coming in with the Gosavi sir. It has been a long drawn learning for we youngsters as well. So thank you sir for being here, and we wish you a good health and a good future in this particular thing sir. Thank you sir.
Thank you so much.
Rahul, that was really fast. तुम सचमुच गोसावी जी और वीके गुप्ता जी के सामने आर्ग्यूमेंट कर रहे थे. Thank you so much. Manisha, would you like to share a few words? Manisha Saraf, who's also a company secretary and a practitioner.
Thank you, Mamta ma'am, for the opportunity. Yes, it would definitely be. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Very good evening to all our honorable bench members. Indeed, this is a very sad moment for all of us, because I think it was the justice, the way it was being delivered, and we really started getting equipped to, the very quick and efficient way in which it was being delivered. Though I have had a limited opportunity of being present before both of them, but I have seen that they are always very keen to give the judgments in the best possible way. And at times they have mentioned that, that be a little more equipped, and Gosavi sir, with your ever endearing smile, we never fear to stand, at least I have never feared to stand before you and give a hearing. And it was very many things we have learned from you, and you have mentioned that be a little more prepared when you all come, get your checklist, and when you have done so, you have also appreciated. So definitely for the young members, it was a great encouragement and an honor to be able to be present before you. Wishing you all good luck for a great future, and definitely we're going to miss both of you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Gosavi sir, and good luck, Gupta ji also.
Thanks, Thank you. Gosavi sir and VK Gupta sir, we have one message, and she wants me to read that for you, for both of your good selves. Ankita Baid has written, one of the biggest lessons I have learned from the honorable bench is to always stay on point. Great learning experience. So she wanted me to convey this. Thank you. Tulsiram Tibrewala ji, would you like to say something? A very seasoned and a very senior chartered accountant. Tibrewala ji, आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? तुलसी भैया, आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? Okay. May I now request our honorable judges? Thank you so much for being so patient and giving us so much time. I know this bench and bar relationship actually teaches all of us to become super patient, and especially in Calcutta, where we all love to speak. Calcutta is one place where people like to read and speak a lot. आप अगर कभी नोटिस किए होंगे तो कैलकाटा में जितने भी स्पेशली जो बंगाली कम्युनिटी है वो हम लोग मजाक करते थे वो पूरे अखबार को चाट लेते हैं. They read from top to bottom. In every line they read so well. So culture of Calcutta has been to read, and if you read more, you like to speak more. So the intellectual property that belongs to Calcutta is immensely high. I'm sure you must have loved being here. So we would love to hear from Gosavi ji and VK Gupta ji. So may I now first request Gosavi ji to please speak and address us, sir. गोपाल, आप सबको म्यूट कर दीजिए, अभी डिस्टर्ब नहीं होगा. जजेस जी को छोड़ के आप सबको म्यूट कर दीजिए.
I am audible, no?
Yes, Gosavi ji, absolutely.
Yeah, thank you. My mentor and guide, Mr. Jinan, my beloved brother, Mr. Suri, Mr. Gupta, Bar President, Mr. Gupta, Binani Madam, Senior Counsel, Mr. Ratnako Banerjee, Mr. Joy Shah, all other bar members. It is indeed a pleasure to be at Calcutta on a bench. In fact, you must be knowing that I was from conventional judiciary, which is dealing with criminal matters, civil matters. I had absolutely no experience to deal with commercial litigation. Company law was unknown to me. IBC was equally unknown to me. But I must confess to you that I learned a lot from all of you. It was very pleasure to hear Mr. Banerjee and Mr. Shah when they were arguing. Lucid and very fluent command on facts and law. Even I have found that all members rather at Kolkata Bar, right from junior, one-day junior member, was equipped and prepared with all required case laws and mastery on facts with brief with them. 2 years at Kolkata, I learned a lot. Knowingly, unknowingly, I must have sometime annoyed at you, and you must pardon me for that. I welcome all of you even at Ahmedabad, and I'm looking forward to again visit Kolkata, even at a Kolkata Bar. As if NCLT president asked me whether you will be like to go back to Kolkata, I will certainly consent for that. It will be my pleasure to be there. But you know, this system goes like that. I was asking for transfer, but I was not expecting it was too early. But it has been done. Thank you very much. All of you have tolerated me, and you have taught me well. I was whatever. If there is anything has gone wrong, please pardon me. Thank you very much. I am looking forward to meet you again soon at Ahmedabad. Thank you very much.
गोसावी जी थोड़ा सा स्पिरिचुअल जरा सा एक कुछ तो हम लोगों को कुछ पता भी looking forward to hear from you.
स्पिरिचुअल का ऐसा होता है मैडम, जब मैं बेंच पर बैठता था तो मेरा जो माइंडसेट था वही था. तद्वती प्रणिपातेन प्रणिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्षन्ति ते ज्ञानं ज्ञानस्तत्वदर्शिना. Meaning thereby, when you are listening some learned people, bow down before them, hear patiently whatever he says, ask your queries very humbly and get answer within your heart. That is what, and it was my attitude from the day one on the bench. During course of argument, there could be some noise and all these things, but it was a part of game. But I learned a lot from all of you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. गोसावी जी के बेंच पे एक चीज हम लोग हमेशा नोटिस करते थे कि उनको पता होता था कि इसका क्या मुझे जजमेंट देना है, लेकिन फिर भी वो पूरे प्रोसीडिंग्स को बहुत ज्यादा शांति से और बहुत पेशेंस से सुनते थे. वीके गुप्ता जी एंड गोसावी जी बोथ, I mean, we used to probably, हम लोग भी बॉडी लैंग्वेज रीड करते हैं सर, जस्ट टू टेल यू आवर इनर सेल्फ दैट आप लोग बात करते हैं आपस में, या आप जब किसी फाइल को देखते हैं या हम लोग की तरफ देखते हैं, तो हम लोग को भी समझ में थोड़ा थोड़ा आ जाता है. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी आर रॉन्ग एंड वी लव टू बी, बट हम लोग तभी भी कई बार देखते हैं कि आपको पता है कि इसके अंदर क्या है, फिर भी आप लोग इतना पेशेंटली सुनते हैं. दैट्स एन आर्ट. व्हाई आई से सो इज एज अ जनरल मैन, एज अ कॉमन मैन, हम लोगों से अगर कोई बात करता है तो वी आर रिहर्सिंग आवर आंसर कि हमें क्या जवाब देना है. वी आर एक्चुअली नॉट लिसनिंग टू व्हाट द पर्सन इज सेइंग, बट द जजेस हैव दिस ग्रेट कैपेसिटी टू लिसन सो मच. इट्स अमेजिंग, एंड आई थिंक लिसनिंग इज एन आर्ट which this bench has actually taught us. Thank you for teaching so many invisible small little things, sir, which you are not realizing, and you are so humble that you are not mentioning it also. But believe you me, sirs, we have learned a lot, and we are going to make ourselves a better person by learning those nitty-gritties from both of your good selves.
Thank you.
Thank you for your kind address, Gosavi ji, and I must thank you for your kind presence. I had requested your esteemed family also to be with us. Somehow the other did not been able to make it, but I must express we all are expressing our gratitude to your family for extending so much support to you, because without your family support, you wouldn't have been able to make it as what you are today. So our deep gratification to your family also.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Gupta sir, may we please request you to kindly address all of us, and we are very, very happy that you are amongst us today. Gopal, जरा उनका देख लेना सर का.
Am I audible now?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah. Respected Jinan Saab, Suri Saab, Gosabi ji, respected SM Gupta ji, Mamta ji, other senior counsels. What Mr. Gosabi has said, I echo them in true words, in true spirit, in a wholesome manner. I was also new after 10 years of my earlier experience. I came to Kolkata, got a wonderful support and inputs from all the members of the bar, and cooperation in making us disposal fast, quick. That is one thing, and for that I will remain grateful and indebted to all the members. As far as the personal attributes are concerned, I found as compared to Bombay, Calcutta, though metro city, but the people were so intermingling and so harmonious. So identity issue never arose. And the other people are so humble, so ready to cooperate, though they don't have any particular work or job. So without any selfish motive, the world moves on selfish motive generally, but the people were so welcoming, so forthwith. They offered all support mentally, socially, and other things, so that I could continue with my job. And when I do remember sometimes I might be little bit aggressive or may not be that. Sometimes I lost my patience during hearing, because people traveled from other point to distracted from the points. For that, I learned later on. Mr. Gosabi and Mr. Jinan guided me to be little more patient, to give them more opportunities. So I learned a lot, and with these words, I wish all the very best, and I really feel grateful for organizing this farewell for us. And I hope that the Calcutta people will do the best in hard times also. They are blessed by Kalima, they are blessed by Ganga, they are blessed by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So they are truly blessed from all corners. And that is why perhaps we see less cases of COVID, less mortality in West Bengal and Northeast, because it is a blessed region spiritually. So I wish all the very best, and thank you very much.
Thank you, Gupta sir, for those kind words. And I'm also surely going to convey this to the government. I'm sure they'll be very, very happy. Sir, thank you so much. Really, I think we are actually blessed. We're indeed blessed. And if we see the names of the freedom fighters in the yesteryears, if we go back, lot of the freedom fighters have been contributed by this part of the country. I'm sure there are so many from Maharashtra, and equally, oh, I'm so sorry. I think, yeah, I'm not on mute. So thanks for your kind address, Gupta ji, and we also wish you a great life ahead. We also thank your family for all the support that they have given to you. Moving from one place to another is such a tough job. हमें एक drawer change करके अगर दूसरे drawer में सामान shift करना पड़ता है, तो लगता है heavens are going to fall. And changing a house from just one house to another, maybe 100 yards away, seems to be such a tough job. And shifting cities like this, and that too even in Corona times, when we are so much engaged, in being in our house to be not only ourselves keeping safe, but also, we need to keep our families safe. In these tough times, attending the call of the duty, it's not easy. It's really not easy. So kudos to both of your good selves to have listening to the call of the duty and joining in this tough time. Thank you so much for your kind address. And may I just read two of the messages, good wishes messages that I've just got, and they've requested me to read. Mr. Pranab Chakraborty has mentioned, we will miss both of your good selves in Court 2 of Kolkata benches, and we wish you all the very best. Mr. Vishnu Tulsian has written a very beautiful message. Lord Buddha had said that good peoples must leave from one place to another to diffuse the fragrances what the God have showered. Here, today is the same. Gosavi sir and Gupta sir will diffuse the fragrance at Ahmedabad. We have been very delighted with you, sir, while at Kolkata. Have a good luck for bright future ahead. Very rightly said, Vishnu. And sir, we have two more messages. One, Mr. Deena Bhattacharjee has mentioned, we are grateful to both our esteemed judges for their insights provided in the course of delivering justice and their patience and impartial hearings. Wishing both lordships a good continued tenure in another bench. And we have Mr. Atul Suveka writing to both of your good selves that we will remember you with warm thoughts and memories. Best wishes to you in the future. So these were...
Thank you so much for their good wishes and good words about us. We will also miss everybody.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sirs. It's time to bid adieu, and with dawn will come another new morning, not only for everybody of us, I'm sure. Even in this COVID time, we have learned positivity is the only way to survive. And so there was a carpenter who was probably not so, was not having so much of positive outlook. So this carpenter was about to resign from his job because he felt that he's earned enough and he now wants to take some rest. So one fine morning, he went to his boss and said, "Hey, Mr. Boss, I want to retire early. And these are your keys that you take it back. I am retiring. I'm not going to come to work from tomorrow." So that Mr. Boss said very discreetly, but yet loudly and firmly, he said, "Okay, Mr. Carpenter, I understand that you want to retire early and I must respect your choice. But do one last bit for me. Take the keys, build this house, and then I'm going to let you free." Very reluctantly, that carpenter took the key because he could not say no. He was very, very reluctantly and forcibly, he took the keys and completed the house somehow. Went back after a few days, returned the key. And you'll be amazed to note what that Mr. Boss did. Mr. Boss gave him the keys back and said, "This house is a gift for whatever you've done for me all your life." Alas, the carpenter thought, I wish I had put in my best effort to actually make this house. I somehow just finished it. I did not put in my heart and my soul into it. And now I get back this own house for my living. The moral of the story is that we only get back the world. Gosavi sir and VK Gupta sir has given so much to NCLT Kolkata, and in return, since NCLT is itself a very big stakeholder, so I say this, that in return they have given to the world at large, to the community at large. They have given so much, and we are all sure that all of it is going to bounce back in leaps and bounds to both of your goods. So, from all of our side, I voice that we are, of course, we are painful, we are pained that we are bidding adieu to both of you, but equally, we shower our best wishes to both of your good selves, that you do extremely well in your life. And we wish to really come to Ahmedabad and be a part of your hearings in one point or the other.
Thank you.
Mamta, vote of
Thank you
thanks.
so much.
Mamta.
Thank you so much once again.
Mamta, vote of thanks.
Yes, President sir. Of course, that's the most important part of any program. And we have none other than our very esteemed Mr. Arun Kumar Gupta ji, whom I request to give a formal vote of thanks to both our honorable judges who are going to Ahmedabad, and also to the two honorable judges who have taken out time to be present with us today. Arun, here to you.
Thank you, Mamta ji. So just like as an actor brings his own flavor to any role that he does, so similarly Justice Gosavi and Justice Gupta brought their own personality and their flavors to this bench, and we were very lucky to have appeared before them and enriched ourselves. It was a very enriching experience. So with a heavy heart, we bid them adieu. So change is inevitable, change is the only constant. Rains change, seasons change, so this also had to change, and we wish them all the best. and we pray to the Almighty for their well-being. So thank you, sirs, for giving us the opportunity and coming and participating in this farewell meeting as well. Thank you to all the participants who have come and attended the meeting and made this session a very memorable one. So thank you all. Thank you all, and stay safe and stay blessed. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Justice Jinan, thanks for your presence. Suri sir, thank you. Gosavi ji, we wish you all the
Thank you.
best.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you,
बहुत
sir.
बहुत धन्यवाद. बहुत
Shall we leave?
Thank you.
आप सबको
Well
बहुत बहुत
done.
धन्यवाद.
Well done, Mamata.
Thank you.
बहुत बहुत
Well
धन्यवाद.
organized. Well organized.
हाँ
Yes,
बहुत
thank you.
धन्यवाद
Thank
सर.
you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mamta ji.
Thank you. So we are leaving. Okay.
After the honorable judges exit, only then we can leave.
So I'm leaving. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Gopal, please check if the honorable judges have left.
Yes, ma'am.
All of them have left. Okay, now
All of them will left.
Mamta, thank you.
No, sir, it's our pleasure. Ratnakar sir, thank you for your kind presence. Means a lot to us.
Mamta.
No,
Mamta.
President, it's only your blessing. It's only your blessing.
No. Thank you for the whole thing. Wonderful.
No.
Thank you. Wonderful.
My pleasure. My pleasure.
Yeah,
Ratnakar,
thank you.
thank you for your
Thank
presence.
you. Thank you very much.
Ratnakar sir.
Organized.
Ratnakar sir, thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We are grateful to you, sir.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure.
We are grateful to you, sir.
Ji, Gopal Khaitan ko special thank you.
Gopal, thank
Yes.
you.
Thank you, sir. My pleasure, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Mr. Khaitan.
Thank you, sir. It's my pleasure, sir.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure, sir. It's my pleasure.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Can I close the meeting now, sir?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. I'm closing the meeting.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.